Modio tab M3 factory reset. How to make factory reset in this tab? This is Chinese Modio tab. As you can see, model number is M3. So how to make format? First of all, you need to by pressing volume up and power button, just keep pressing both buttons. And when you see black screen, just keep holding volume up button and release the power button. Just keep pressing. You will see the logo. Keep pressing volume up button. And now you can see we are in the main menu of the reset. So as you can see, you need to by pressing volume down button, you need to bring up to here, and then you need to you can see here EMMC. Now press power button, and twice you need to press the power button 2 times, and it will restart, and that's it. This is how easily you can do it. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.